Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to add Thrivecart approved affiliated data in Google Sheets. So I'm using Thrivecart for my affiliate program, and here my objective is that whenever I'm going to approve a new request of an affiliate from my Thrivecart account, then automatically I'm going to capture that approved affiliated data and I'm going to add that in my Google Sheet. So for that, what I need to do is I need to build a connection between Thrivecart and Google Sheets. So for building my connection, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I need to use the concept of trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use Thrivecart. In action application, I'm going to use Google Sheets. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today I'm going to show you how to seamlessly add Thrivecart approved affiliate data into Google Sheets. So Thrivecart is a powerful platform for managing your sales and affiliate programs, and it offers a wide range of tools to help you succeed in the world of online marketing. However, to make the most out of your data, integrate your Thrivecart account with Google Sheets, and that can be a game changer. So by importing your Thrivecart approved affiliate data into Google Sheets, you will be able to utilize Google Sheets' powerful analysis feature. This integration allows you to automate your reporting, track performance metrics in real time, and share important insights with your team or stakeholders. So in this video, I will guide you through step-by-step process of setting up this integration, ensuring that your affiliate data flows smoothly from Thrivecart to Google Sheets. Now here, my objective is that whenever I approve a new affiliate request, then automatically I want to add that approved affiliate data in Google Sheets. Now for building this automation, what I need to do is I need to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with the help of Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection between Thrivecart and Google Sheets, and that too without any coding and programming skills. Now I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, and for using Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser, and it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you just have to click on this sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time, and you will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Extend Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here I need to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on this create workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to add Thrivecart approved affiliated data in Google Sheets. Now what I need to do is I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab, and in this tab I will find all the folders that I have created in my Pabbly Connect account, and here I have this particular folder of Google Sheets, so I'm going to select this. And now I need to click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be Thrivecart. Now I'm going to select Thrivecart here, and now I need to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and in this tab I have this particular option of affiliate approved. So I'm going to select this, and now what I need to do is I need to connect Thrivecart with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on this connect button. I will click on add new connection, and for connecting Thrivecart with Pabbly Connect, I need to give a token. So how I can get this token? For that, let me take you to my Thrivecart account. I will go to profile, and in profile I will go to settings, and here in settings I have this option of API and webhooks. So I'm going to open this, and here in API and webhooks I have this option of API keys. So I'm going to open this, and now I need to create a new API key, and that will be my token. So for creating a new API key, I need to click here on this create API key button. And here I need to give a name to my API key. So my API key name will be affiliated data, and I'm going to click on create API key. And here this is my token and my API key. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that here in this token tab. Now I need to click on save. Now here I have this tab of product. Now here I need to select my affiliated product. So for that I need to open this tab, and in this tab you will find all the products that you have in your Thrivecart account, and you can select multiple products here. So I have used this particular product of Basics of PHP for my affiliate program. So I'm going to select this. And now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here it is waiting for response. So how I am going to get this response? For that, what I need to do is I need to first approve an affiliated request that I have received in my Thrivecart account from other users. So as I'm going to approve that request, then automatically I'm going to get the response of approved affiliated data. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Thrivecart. I'm going to close this and I will go to partners. And here in partners, I will go to my affiliates. And here we can see that I have this pending request of my affiliate. So here this is the request from Alex John, and this is the email address, that is alexjohn@pabblitudes.com. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to approve this request. And I'm going to click on yes, approve this application. And here I have successfully approved this request of Alex John. And now I have added this as my affiliate. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have all the data of my approved affiliate. And here this is my product name, that is of Basics of PHP. I have my Thrivecart account name. Also in this, I have my product ID. I have my event, that is affiliate approved. I have the data of my approval. Also in this, I have the data of my user. So here I have my affiliate name, that is Alex John. I have the email, that is alexjohn@pabblitudes.com. I have the affiliate ID and I have the affiliate user ID. So here I have received all these details of my approved affiliate. Now what I need to do is I need to use all these details, and I want to automatically add these details in my Google Sheet. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my actions tab. And here I need to first search for my action application, that is going to be Google Sheets. Now I'm going to select Google Sheets here. And now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And add new row will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click here on this connect button. I will click on add new connection and I will sign in with Google. Now here I need to click on allow to give access to my account. So I'm going to click here. And my connection here is successful. Now here I have all these data, and first I need to select my spreadsheet where I want to add my approved affiliate data. So I'm going to take you to my Google Sheet, and here I'm going to use this particular spreadsheet that is named as Thrivecart Affiliates. And here I have all these columns like affiliate name, user ID, affiliate email, product name, product ID, and the status. So here in these columns, I'm going to add the data of my approved affiliate, and for that I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. And first I need to select my spreadsheet. So I'm going to open this tab, and in this tab I will find all the spreadsheets that are connected with my Google Sheet account. And here I'm going to use this particular spreadsheet of Thrivecart Affiliates. So I'm going to select this. And now we can see all the details have changed according to my spreadsheet. So here these were all my columns that I have in my Google Sheet. So here I need to add all the data of my approved affiliate that I have received as a response from my Thrivecart account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use all the detail of my Thrivecart response, and I'm going to map all these detail of my affiliate. So for that I need to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here. I will open this response of Thrivecart. And here I need to first map the affiliate name. So this is my affiliate name, that is Alex John. So I'm going to map this. Similarly, I have to give my affiliate user ID. So this is my affiliate user ID. So I'm going to map this. And now I need to give my affiliate ID. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Thrivecart. And here this is my affiliate ID. So I'm going to map this. Now I need to give the affiliate email. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Thrivecart. And here this is the affiliate email. So I'm going to map this. And now similarly I have to map the product name, product ID, and the status. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of Thrivecart. this is my product name, so I'm going to map this. I will give a product ID. And now I have to give the status, so I'm going to click here. I will open the response of Thrivecart, and here this is my event that is affiliate approved. So I'm going to select this as my status, so I'm going to map this. And now I have mapped all these details here, and here what is going to happen is that as I have mapped these details, I have made these details dynamic. Now whenever I'm going to receive a new response of an approved affiliate from Thrivecart, then automatically I'm going to receive a new response, and all these details that I have mapped here are going to get replaced with the new data in the real time. Now I need to scroll down and I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response. So this means that I have added all the data of my approved affiliate in my Google Sheet. So to check this, let me take you to Google Sheets. And here this is my spreadsheet that is named as Thrivecart Affiliates. And in this spreadsheet, we can see I have added all these details of my approved affiliate. So here I have my affiliate name, that is Alex John. I have the affiliate user ID. I have the affiliate ID. And also I have the affiliate email, that is alexjohn@pablitudes.com. I have my product name, that is Basics of PHP. I have the product ID, that is 20. And I have my status, that is affiliate approved. So here we can see that automatically I have added all these details of my approved affiliate in my Google Sheet. And here I have received all these details of the approved affiliate from my Thrivecart account. So as I have approved a new request of an affiliate in my Thrivecart account, then automatically by capturing the detail of that approved affiliate, I have automatically added those details in my Google Sheet. So here my connection between Thrivecart and Google Sheet is working successfully. And now whenever I'm going to approve a new request of an affiliate, then automatically I'm going to add those details of the approved affiliate in my Google Sheet. So here I have successfully created this connection and automation between Thrivecart and Google Sheets. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have created this connection between Thrivecart and Google Sheet to add Thrivecart approved affiliated data in Google Sheet. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Thrivecart, and my trigger event was affiliate approved. Then I have set up my action step, and my action application was Google Sheets, and my action event was add new row. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.